Welcome back. Back to this problem before we took off. We got $2.25 as our slope. So that means for one ticket, it's $2.25. So let's go ahead and keep trying with these next three examples. It says find the slope of the given points. Find the slope of the line using the given points. So let's go ahead and do the same thing that we've been doing. So I like to label x1, x2, we have y1, y2. So I'm going to do negative 1 minus 5 over 2 minus a negative 1. All right, just remember our rules all the way back to chapter 1 when we were working with our integers with adding, subtracting. So negative 1 minus 5, we're going to add the opposite, so plus a negative 5. So negative 1 plus a negative 5 is going to be a negative 6. And then 2 minus a negative 1, when you have the double negative, you just do your plus plus, and that is 3. So negative 6 divided by 3 equals a negative 2. So our slope equals a negative 2. All right, let's go ahead and try the second one. So I have my x1, my x2, my y1, my y2. So I'm going to do 0 minus a negative 5 over 5 minus a negative 5. So once again, I'm following my rules. I see a double negative, so I do my plus plus. So I get 5 as my rise. And then 5 minus a negative 5, so do my plus plus, which is going to be 10. So I have 5 over 10, and we should know that equals 1/2. So my slope is 1/2. Let's try one more. So for this next one, I have x1, x2, y1, y2. All right, so I'm going to do negative 5 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 5. So negative 5, I'm going to do plus negative 3 is going to give me a negative 8 over negative 2 plus a negative 5 is going to give me a negative 7. A negative 8 divided by a negative 7 is a positive 8/7. So I know my slope is going to be a positive 8/7. Go ahead and try the next three on your own. For this last part of our notes, there are 4 types of slopes. There's a positive slope, which is a line that rises from left to right, a negative slope that falls from left to right, zero slope, a line that is horizontal, and a line that is vertical for undefined slope. So just as a reference, our positive slope would look something like this. Negative slope would be falling from left to right. A slope that has zero slope is going to be horizontal. And slope that is undefined will be a vertical line. All right.